Here is how you can turn on the night shift on your iPhone. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. There are more ways how you can control it. The most common one is when you swipe down from the top right like this to activate the control center. And below the brightness, like you have the brightness controller, of course, but when you hold it down on it, like inside of it, we have 3 additional buttons. One is for a dark mode, night shift, and the true tone display. So of course you can tap on a night shift in here. It's gonna make things look much more yellowish, and that's the point. So this is how you can turn it on, and it's always part of the brightness controller. Outside of that, as I said, there are more ways you can control it. So you can as well go to the settings app where you can notice the display and brightness section, and the night shift has its own dedicated menu in here. So you can enable it like so in the control center if you want to do it just right now. But in here we have the scheduling features, which means that in my case, I have the scheduling enabled, and it says that it will start at sunset and end at sunrise. And this makes sense. It's supposed to be used at night, so no matter where I am, based on my location, it's going to know the sunset, it's going to enable the feature, and it will turn it off back in the morning. Or you can also choose a custom schedule by time, so you can choose at 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. or whatever else. So that's something you can do, right? And below we have also the manual option to enable it. Plus, we can decide how much it's going to be, how warm the display is going to get. So that's essentially it. That's how you can make sure that you have the night shift turned on your iPhone. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe, and I'll see you later.